Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at the iconic Madame Tussauds Museum in London, where fans are going crazy as they meet the incredibly lifelike wax figure of the multi-talented singer, actor and fashion icon Harry Styles. The excitement is palpable, so let's dive right in and witness the fun. As his fans would probably say, one Harry Styles just isn't enough. But luckily, Madame Tussauds is on a mission to make sure there's plenty of Harrys to go around, unveiling 7 new wax figures of the pop star across the museum's various locations around the world. Featuring some of the singer's most iconic looks, from performances and red carpet appearances, the 7 figures will be distributed this month to museums in London, New York, Hollywood, Amsterdam, Berlin, Singapore and Sydney. The Wax Harry in London, who wears a green suit modelled after real-life Harry's My Policeman premiere look, and took 10 months for Madame Tussauds artists to complete, premiered to the general public today. Harry is one of the biggest stars in the world right now, from filling stadiums worldwide with his sellout tours to being a fashion influencer. There's no denying he has left a timeless mark on popular culture, said Madame Tussauds global brand director in a statement. When the opportunity came up, there was no hesitation. We jumped at the chance to add the Grammy award-winning superstar to our collection. Spain's future queen Princess Leonor is also a fan of Harry Styles. The one who was a member of the iconic group One Direction was a hit at his only concert in Madrid on Friday, July 14. Countless familiar faces traveled to the mad cool space. What was not expected is that among thousands of fans that the British singer gathered in the capital, they will find Princess Leonor and Infanta Sofia. Like 2 more fans, although with privileges, the king's daughters had a great time to the rhythm of music for a sushi restaurant, or as it was. As stated by El Espanol, the young entered the compound incognito and without waiting for the long lines of people who crowded at the doors waiting to take a place to see the performance. Afterwards, they followed the show from an exclusive location, closely followed by their security team. With the end of the concert, Leonor and Sofia had the opportunity to meet Harry Styles in person, a private meeting in her dressing room, which has sparked enormous controversy among the artist's fans who blame the daughters of King for enjoying favored treatment. Harry Styles' lengthy, almost 2-year-long world tour is soon drawing to a close, so if you missed out a chance to see Harry Styles, it's now going to be very easier to have a picture with him in Madame Tussauds' 7 museums. What an incredible day it has been. The Harry Styles wax figure has truly brought joy and excitement to all his fans here at Madame Tussauds London. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting celebrity updates. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.